Hi everyone. Today's session is all about how to make requests and ask questions in French. Okay. So first is pouvez-vous m'aider? Can you help me? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Pouvez-vous m'aider? Can you help me? Next, est-ce que vous pouvez? Can you please? It's also a different way of saying a question. Next is où est? Where is? Où est? Where is? Comment dire en français? For example, if someone say this is a pen, I want to say how we say pen in French. I'll say comment dire en français. Okay, how do you say that in French? How do you say that in French? Qu'est-ce que c'est? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? Qu'est-ce que c'est means what is this? Pourquoi? Pourquoi means why? Pourquoi? Why? So, for more such kind of videos and knowing more expressions in French, kindly stay tuned with my channel, which is Nouveau CL French Academy. Au revoir, à bientôt. Ciao.